Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest trends in modern living room designs, TV units, and wall cladding ideas for 2024. Whether you're planning a complete remodel or just looking to update your space, we've got you covered with the hottest looks and innovative ideas. Modern living room designs. 1. Minimalist elegance. Clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered spaces. Emphasis on functional furniture with hidden storage. Integration of natural light and large windows to create an open feel. 2. Sustainable living. Use of eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and bamboo. Incorporating plants and green walls for a fresh, natural vibe. Energy-efficient lighting and smart home features. 3. Bold accents. Statement pieces like oversized artwork and bold-colored furniture. Mixing textures like velvet, leather, and metal for a luxurious look. Using geometric patterns and asymmetrical designs to add visual interest. TV unit designs. 1. Floating TV units. Sleek and modern with a clean, floating appearance. Built-in LED lighting for a sophisticated ambience. Concealed cables and integrated storage for a clutter-free look. 2. Multifunctional units. Combining storage, display shelves, and media units in one. Customizable designs to fit different spaces and needs. Incorporating sliding panels or doors to hide the TV when not in use. 3. Industrial style. Use of raw materials like metal and wood for a rugged look. Open shelving and exposed hardware for an edgy feel. Combining vintage elements with modern technology. Wall cladding ideas. 1. Natural stone cladding. Adding texture and depth with materials like marble, granite, or slate. Creating feature walls that serve as focal points in the room. Combining stone with other materials for a balanced look. 2. Wooden wall panels. Bringing warmth and a touch of nature indoors. Using different finishes and grains for a unique appearance. Horizontal, vertical, or herringbone patterns to suit various styles. 3. 3D wall panels. Adding a modern twist with textured panels in various designs. Creating visual interest and dynamic effects with lighting. Available in materials like gypsum, MDF, or PVC for different budgets. Color trends. 1. Neutral palettes with a pop. Dominance of neutral shades like beige, gray, and white. Adding pops of bold colors such as deep blue, emerald green, or burnt orange through accents and accessories. 2. Earthy tones. Incorporation of warm and natural colors like terracotta, olive green, and sandy beige. These hues bring a sense of calm and connection to nature. 3. Monochromatic schemes. Using varying shades of a single color to create depth and sophistication. Examples include various tones of gray or layered whites. Furniture and layouts. 1. Modular furniture. Flexible and customizable pieces that can be reconfigured to suit different needs and spaces. Ideal for both small apartments and large living areas. 2. Statement sofas. Bold, oversized sofas becoming the focal point of the living room. Experimenting with unique shapes, vibrant colors, and luxurious fabrics like velvet or leather. 3. Open plan living. Seamlessly integrating the living room with the kitchen and dining areas. Use of furniture and rugs to define different zones while maintaining a cohesive look. Textures and materials. 1. Natural materials. Emphasis on sustainability with materials like wood, stone, and rattan. Adding warmth and texture through organic elements. 2. Mixed metals. Combining different metals like brass, copper, and matte black for a chic and contemporary look. Using metal accents in lighting fixtures, furniture legs, and decorative items. 3. Luxurious textiles. Incorporating rich fabrics such as velvet, silk, and wool. O. Using textured throws, cushions, and rugs to add layers and comfort. Innovative decor ideas. 1. Artistic walls. O. Featuring bold wallpaper, large-scale art pieces, or mural designs. O. Creating a statement wall that draws the eye and adds personality. 2. Greenery and indoor plants. O. Bringing the outdoors in with a variety of indoor plants. O. Using vertical gardens or plant walls to enhance the modern aesthetic. 3. Smart home integration. O. Incorporating smart technology for lighting, heating, and entertainment systems. O. Ensuring a seamless and intuitive living experience. Lighting solutions. 1. Layered lighting. O. Combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a versatile and inviting space. O. Using dimmable lights to adjust the ambience as needed. 2. Statement light fixtures. O. Investing in unique and eye-catching chandeliers or pendant lights. O. Using lighting as a focal point and a piece of art. 3. Natural light maximization. O. Emphasizing large windows and open spaces to let in as much natural light as possible. O. Using sheer curtains or blinds that provide privacy without blocking light. TV unit ideas. 1. Floating TV units. O. Sleek and contemporary designs that create an illusion of more space. O. Integrated LED lighting to add a sophisticated touch. O. Hidden cable management for a clean and organized look. 2. Multifunctional units. O. Combining storage, display shelves, and media units in one cohesive piece. O. Customizable configurations to fit any space and style. O. Sliding panels or doors to hide the TV when not in use, maintaining a streamlined appearance. 3. Industrial-style TV units. O. Use of raw materials like metal and reclaimed wood for a rugged, edgy look. O. Open shelving and exposed hardware for a minimalist, utilitarian feel. O. Perfect for lofts or modern urban living spaces. Wall cladding ideas. 1. Natural stone cladding. O. Using materials like marble, granite, or slate to add texture and depth. O. Creating feature walls that serve as focal points in your living room. O. Combining stone with other materials for a balanced and harmonious look. 2. Wooden wall panels. O. Bringing warmth and a touch of nature indoors with wooden cladding. O. Various finishes and grains to match different styles and preferences. O. Patterns like horizontal, vertical, or herringbone to create visual interest. 3. 3D wall panels. O. Adding a modern twist with textured panels in various designs. O. Creating dynamic effects with strategic lighting. O. Available in materials like gypsum, MDF, or PVC, offering options for different budgets. Combining TV units and wall cladding. 1. Integrated designs. O. Creating a cohesive look by integrating the TV unit with the wall cladding. O. Using the same material or complementary colors to unify the design. O. Enhancing the visual appeal with backlighting or spotlighting. 2. Contrasting textures. O. Combining smooth TV units with textured wall cladding for a striking contrast. O. Mixing materials like glass, metal, and wood to add layers and depth. O. Playing with different finishes to highlight each element. 3. Built-in storage and display. O. Designing TV units with built-in shelves and cabinets for added functionality. O. Displaying decor items, books, and personal treasures alongside your TV. O. Using wall cladding to frame and accentuate the built-in elements. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these TV unit and wall cladding ideas for 2024 inspire you to transform your living space into a stylish and modern haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest design trends and tips. See you in the next video.